What I want you to understand is the reason the wealthy get wealthy and stay wealthy. Why do you think that is? Because they create intergenerational wealth. So most of us are scratch babies. Why are we scratch babies? Because we start from scratch. I mean, think about that. I made that up, but think about when you make a cake from scratch, right? It's not like you got Pillsbury where you already got to start and all you got to do is throw some water, some milk, and some eggs in it, right? No. What do we have to do? We got to go get the eggs. We got to get the flour, depending upon the recipe that we're making. We got to sift the flour. So that's the point. That's an analogy that I like to use because I want you to understand that the wealthy don't start the same place we do.